In this guide, you'll learn how to fix TikTok upload failed error on iPhone. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection, launch your control center. Now you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data or enable airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your TikTok app. Navigate to profile page, click on three bars, head over to the option settings and privacy. Now scroll down and head over to the option. Click on the option free up space, click on clear for the cache. Next up, check for app updates. So launch your app store, search for the app TikTok. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Lastly, check the server status of TikTok. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website like Town Detector. Now search for TikTok. If you found out any outages from the end, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved. For this issue, there is no fix. Once the TikTok server status issue has been fixed, you'll be able to upload the videos. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.